Nobody else is doing this. We manufacture various forms of the sliding doors. We do natural anodized using conventional aluminium doors and windows methods, as in this type of example, which is showing the glass recessed to both sides. You can see the glass is tinted. We offer it in either laminated or toughened forms. On the other side over here is a new development of ours, which is the Flush Glazed door. The glass has the appearance of running off the edge, or as close as we can get it. I believe we're the only manufacturer of this type of door in South Africa, and it's proving to be very popular. I started the business in 1998, and my brother Kevin joined me in 2000. It's worked out very well in that we've got different skills. So he's a mechanical engineer, look after the sales side, he does the production side, and we complement each other, and it's done very well. It's evolved as we've grown. We are challenging ourselves to move into more markets. We do not compete in the mass production markets, it's all made to order. And I think that's led to our diversification, and we'll continue diversifying as we go.